Hello, dear students. We are proceeding with the second chapter, People as Resource, Economics, Chapter 2, Class 9th. We have already discussed many aspects where people can become resource, where human resource is considered to be the most important aspect in any country. In India also, we can see how people are engaged in various sectors, primary, secondary and tertiary, and they are contributing to the nation's development in all the ways they can. And for now we have discussed about certain examples where we saw what was the role played by education, how education, the sector, yes children, I am telling it as a sector because education is one sector where if the people or where the students if get involved and start getting education, the life's problems can be sorted out, many of the issues could be solved. So we will be understanding the issues that is related to education. हमने कुछ questions भी solve किए थे. Some of the questions that were given here, we have done this. You can see this table that is here where lot of higher education institutions, enrollment of the students, faculty members, we have discussed a lot about it. Then we also discussed about the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, the measure that have been taken up by the government, where government have made it an important point where every child is getting education. That is one of the very important aspects how country can develop. Education plays a very important role, children. नॉट ओनली कंट्रीज डेवलपमेंट, हम बार बार कंट्री डेवलपमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, बट दैट इज नॉट द ओनली थिंग. दिस इज वन एस्पेक्ट, दिस इज वन एरिया which if it is fulfilled, if it is seen, if it is just done, then it could be seen that colleges and universities can function and students can get maximum benefit out of it. Now, health issues. सबसे पहला जो सेक्टर था चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट वी टॉक्ड अबाउट वाज एजुकेशन. दूसरा जो है बेटा, दैट इज हेल्थ. एजुकेशन इज ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल विदाउट हेल्थ. तबीयत खराब हो जाती है तो स्कूल जाने का मन करता है, नहीं करता है ना, दैट इज देयर. एंड कितनी बार व्हाट हैपन्स दैट यू हैव अ यूनिट टेस्ट, रिमेंबर, देन द पेरेंट्स कम एंड से कि मैम टेस्ट लेके उसके बाद बच्चा वापस घर जाएगा. आप पूरा दिन स्कूल में नहीं स्पेंड कर पाते हो. यू आर अनेबल टू स्पेंड द होल डे इन द स्कूल. गॉट इट? इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ योर हेल्थ इश्यूज. तो हेल्थ आप सोच लो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हेल्थ, तो अगेन वन थिंग दैट हैज कम टू माई माइंड, लुक एट द कंडीशन ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड. मैं सिर्फ इंडिया की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ बच्चों. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिया. Today, the whole world is facing a big crisis. क्या है ये? What is this? You know it very well. It is the virus which is affecting the health of the individuals. So many people have died, my dear children. I hope you all know about it. You all are very updated with the news headlines that we are coming across daily. So after looking at these conditions, we understand that the situation is really critical. Got it? And we need to understand how to cope up with this critical situation. Okay? So, firm maximize profit. Do you think any firm ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कोई भी फैक्ट्री है चाहे कोई भी जगह है, वो इट वुड बी इंड्यूस टू एम्प्लॉय पीपल हु माइट नॉट वर्क एफिशिएंटली एज हेल्दी वर्कर्स बिकॉज ऑफ इल हेल्थ. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, हियर वन थिंग दैट इज कमिंग टू माई माइंड, आई वुड डेफिनेटली लाइक टू टेल यू. wherever employment happens, permanent employment, the regular employment that is there, जहाँ पे कि आपको job security मिलती है, those firms, those organizations would be talking about good health. हेल्थ चेकअप होता है. अरे वाई गो फार ऑफ बेटे. आर्मी में सबसे पहले क्या होता है? हेल्थ चेकअप इज हैपनिंग. आंख सही है कि नहीं है, योर बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर, योर फिजिकल हेल्थ एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड health of a person helps him to realize his or her potential and the ability to fight illness. किस तरह से बीमारी से लड़ाई करना है, that we need to understand. And until and unless, because what happens is कि anybody who is not well, अगर हेल्थ सही नहीं है तो वोंट बी एबल टू वर्क एफिशिएंटली. अच्छा काम, अच्छी तरीके से काम नहीं कर सकता है. अनहेल्दी पर्सन कैन नॉट वर्क एफिशिएंटली सो एज हेल्दी वर्कर्स बिकॉज ऑफ इल हेल्थ. सो व्हाट हैपेंस चिल्ड्रन? द हेल्थ ऑफ अ पर्सन helps him to realize his or her potential and the ability to fight illness. बीमारी से लड़ने के लिए हम हेल्दी होना हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड he or she will not be able to maximize his or her output to the overall. Healthy person can only work efficiently. Now just see what are the activities that is going on in an health center. ये सब आपके साथ भी होता होगा children. You might have seen that health checkups are happening regularly. You all are the future of the nation. If the future of the nation is not healthy, health security अगर नहीं है, तो how will the country function? That is one of the very major aspects, children. We need to understand it. We always say ना, health is wealth. अभी देख लो अभी क्या हो रहा है. अभी यहाँ पे some explanations are given here, children. You have to go through these explanations. एक तो है infant mortality rate. Death of a child below 1 year of age is infant mortality rate. Birth rate क्या है? It is the number of babies born for every 1000 people during a particular period of time. 1000 लोगों में कितने बच्चे पैदा हो रहे हैं, we calculate that. And death rate is the number of people per 1000 who die during a particular period of time. So indeed what happens is health is an indispensable basis for realizing one's well-being. Indispensable basis. जिस चीज़ को हम छोड़ नहीं सकते हैं. We cannot forget it. We cannot just leave it aside. Health is the best thing. That is the only thing that is bringing wealth. हाँ, आप हेल्दी रहेंगे तभी तो आप अच्छे से काम कर पाएंगे, और जितने अच्छे से आप काम करेंगे उतने अच्छे से आपको पैसे मिलेंगे. So you earn with a good health. A healthy person is the only person who can look after the family properly, who can look after himself and the family in a very proper manner. So we need to realize that health is the biggest wealth that any person can have. Okay, children. So improvement in the health status, very important. In the country, we have to see that each and every person residing in the country, staying in the country should be healthy. Status of the population. एक या दो लोग की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, एक या दो स्टेट की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are talking about population as a whole. So, our national policy also is talking about the same thing. It aims at improving the accessibility of healthcare, family welfare, and nutritional service with a special focus on underprivileged segment. Now try to understand. Priority of the country is healthy population, health. If the population is unhealthy, तो फिर हम country का progress कैसे होगा? If everybody is moving towards the hospital, जो कि आज की condition है, हम country के development की बात कर रहे हैं. But look at the death toll children. रोज 2000 से 3000 लोग मर रहे हैं. So you can understand how critical the situation is. And कहीं पे भी नंबर रुक रहा है. तो हेल्दी पॉपुलेशन नहीं होगा तो गवर्नमेंट्स मेन एम इज एक्सेसिबिलिटी ऑफ हेल्थ केयर. हर एक्सेसिबिलिटी मीन्स कोई आदमी गांव में रह रहा है, अचानक से बीमार पड़ गया एंड द सिटी इज 30 किलोमीटर्स अवे. 30 किलोमीटर्स तो उसको ले जाते हॉस्पिटल, बंदा मर जाएगा, द पर्सन विल डाई. So the first priority would be to make arrangements for the person's immediate care. तो health center should be there in every village. गांव में health facility जो है वो होनी चाहिए. Family welfare is there and nutritional service. अच्छा खाना मिलना चाहिए, nutrition होना चाहिए, nutritious, with a special focus on the underprivileged segment of the population. Got it? And now everybody doesn't have money, na? That is also one of the problem. So nutritional service, अच्छा खाना मिले सबको, that is important. And underprivileged segment of the population should be there, taken care of. Underprivileged है जिनके पास पैसे नहीं हैं, किसी भी तरह से those who are barely minimum able to survive, किसी तरह से अपना ज़िंदगी चला रहे हैं, ऐसे पॉपुलेशन के लिए, ऐसे लोगों के लिए हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज़ का अरेंजमेंट करना इज़ द प्रायोरिटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. एंड अभी क्या है, ओवर द लास्ट 5 decades, 50 साल, 5 decades, एक डेकेड, 1 decade is of 10 years. तो 50 years से क्या हो रहा है, इंडिया हैज़ बिल्ट अ वास्ट हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. ये देखो यहाँ पे ना, फिर यहाँ पे थोड़ी प्रिंटिंग की प्रॉब्लम हो गई. दिस आर द एनसीईआरटी बुक्स, बट देन देयर आर प्रिंटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स दैट हैपन्स एट टाइम्स. ओके, वास्ट हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज देयर, मतलब hospitals are there, healthcare centers are there, doctors are there, nurses have been appointed. All these are taken care of by the government. Infrastructure इसको कहते हैं. Physical arrangements, equipment should be there. Operation होना है, operation के लिए मशीनें चाहिए, टेस्ट होना है. There is blood test, stool test, urine test, बहुत सारे टेस्ट होते हैं. So health infrastructure has to be proper, and it has also developed the manpower required at primary, secondary and tertiary sector in government as well as in private sectors. खाली गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर्स में ही हेल्थ चेकअप नहीं ना है, प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स आर मोर अवेयर. प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स में तो दे फील कि पैसे अगर दे रहे हैं लोगों को तो पूरी तरह से हेल्दी पॉपुलेशन, द पर्सन शुड बी टोटली हेल्दी. अनहेल्दी के पीछे तो वो 5 पैसे भी खर्च नहीं करना चाहेंगे कि ये काम तो कर नहीं रहा है, सारे टाइम बीमार रहता है, वाई शुड वी स्पेंड मनी. सो एवरीबडीज कंसर्न इज इन द कंट्री, वेदर इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर और इट्स अ प्राइवेट सेक्टर, एवरीबडी वांट्स healthy population. Got it? Healthcare is the priority of every sector. We need to understand all the sectors, all the government bodies are very clearly mentioning how the health of the population would be maintained. Is कि in every sector, चाहे एग्रीकल्चर हो और फिर इंडस्ट्रियल गुड्स हो or any sector that is there with government as well as in private sectors, everybody wants the healthy population, healthy people to work for them. अभी these measures which have been adopted, ये जो हमने शुरू किया है, तो अभी life expectancy has increased to over 68.3 years in 2014. Now try to understand what is life expectancy. Means a child who is born and a person who is staying in the country, कितने साल तक, try to understand. By the health you can very well understand. अभी जैसे हेल्थ, अभी आई एम जस्ट साइटिंग एन एग्जाम्पल, एनी पर्सन हु इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम, बिकॉज ये जो है लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो अ पर्सन गोज फॉर अ मेडिकल चेकअप एंड मेडिकल चेकअप में द डॉक्टर सेज, ओ हो माई डियर चाइल्ड, यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर है. तो अभी उसकी लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी, द पर्सन हु इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर, व्हाट वुड बी हिज लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी? माई डियर चिल्ड्रन, एवरीबडी नोज दैट जितना भी इलाज करा लो 2 से 3 साल से ज़्यादा वो आदमी नहीं जिंदा रहेगा. सो हिज लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी आफ्टर कैंसर वुड बी ओनली 1 to 2 year. And it is also for for those people who are getting proper medical facility. अगर मेडिकल फैसिलिटी नहीं है तो 2 से 3 महीने में आदमी खत्म. कहाँ पैसे नहीं है खर्च करने के लिए. एंड गेटिंग द मतलब गेटिंग द ट्रीटमेंट फॉर कैंसर इज अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव वर्क, is a very expensive affair. Everybody could not afford that kind of a money. Are you getting my point? So you can see the infant mortality rate has come down from 147 to 34 in 2016. पहले बहुत बच्चे मरते थे, पैदा होते ही साल भर के अंदर बढ़ जाते थे. ठीक है, तो इन्फेंट मोर्टिलिटी रेट पर 1000, 1000 में 150 बच्चे मरते थे. आउट ऑफ 1000 बॉर्न 150 यूज्ड टू डाई. लेकिन इट हैज़ कम डाउन टू 34 2016 में. 1951 में the numbers that were there, it were totally different. Now the number has changed in 2016. We are able to give proper care to the child and the mother. So crude birth rates have dropped to 20.4 and death rate to 6.4. Crude birth rate, try to understand. The children who are born, okay, it is given here. Let us see. Once you will be checking it. Birth rate is the number of babies born for every 1000 people during a particular period of time. And death rate, the people who are dying per 1000. तो birth rate बहुत ज़्यादा continuous, giving birth to the child, unhealthy has dropped. Now healthy children are born 20.4. Death rate had come to 6.4 within the same duration of time. अभी कम बच्चे मर रहे हैं, पहले बहुत मरते थे. तो now how do we find these improvements? Where do we find these improvements? It is increase in life expectancy and improvement in child care are useful in assessing the future progress of the country. The country will progress in the future, or there has to be a standstill, or there is some problem in the development of the country. ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं, now we are able to control that and we are able to take proper care of the increasing number of population and healthy population. Okay, we need to understand increase in longevity of life. Longevity means आप कितने दिन तक जिंदा रहते हो. ये नहीं ना कि पैदा हुए और 20 साल के 20-25 साल के होते होते मर गए. Longevity, you are born to have a very healthy and happy life. कौन मर मर के जीना चाहता है? ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग इन सिंपल माय डियर चिल्ड्रन. गॉट इट? सो longevity of life is an indicator of good quality of life, and when you are healthy na, you feel so confident. Yes children, try to understand this, that a healthy child is far more confident and active in comparison to an unhealthy child. ठीक है, unhealthy children cannot just cope up or cannot just have the kind of confidence that a healthy child is having. So that's why health is to be promoted at all levels. Health issues have to be solved at all levels. Got it, children? Then there has been a reduction in the infant mortality. बच्चे कम मर रहे हैं अब. Involves the protection of children from infection, ensuring the nutrition of both the mother and the child care. You know, a child when matlab a baby when born dies very fast. That doesn't only depend on the unhealthy conditions of the child. वो बच्चा मर गया तो उसी की प्रॉब्लम होगी, ऐसा नहीं है. It is because of the unhealthy life of the mother also. माँ भी हेल्दी नहीं होगी तभी वो बच्चा भी हेल्दी नहीं है. प्लीज़ वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दीज थिंग्स. इन चीज़ों को समझना जो है बहुत ज़रूरी है. दैट ओनली हेल्दी चाइल्ड, ओनली हेल्दी पॉपुलेशन, हेल्दी मदर्स कैन गिव बर्थ टू हेल्दी चिल्ड्रन. सो if any lady is pregnant or if any lady is going to give birth to a baby, we need to take care that she is having proper food, she is having proper checkups, and because unhealthy mother will give birth to an unhealthy child, which is not good. What is the percentage increase in dispensary 1951 to 2015? How many people are visiting the dispensary? Dispensary, you understand, na? The medical centers. Just see the table is given here. Children, we need to understand this table. ये टेबल हमको करना है. Got it, children? After seeing this table, we have to solve those questions. What is the percentage increase in dispensary from 1951 to 2015? And what is the percentage increase in doctors and nursing? Now try to understand. We have to calculate the percentage from here, children. क्या है percentage to 1951 to 2015? Now 1951 is not given here, children. तो आप ये समझो that 2013 is here because we have got the latest data. Do we have any data? इसके पहले भी कोई data है? No. We have the university and colleges data. This data is giving us all the informations about sub-centers, primary health center, community health center, auxiliary nurse, hybrids, RN and RM, registered nurses, registered midwives, LHV, lady health visitors, all these are given here. Of course the number is increasing. सबसे पहले तो हेल्थ सेंटर्स, लेकिन यहाँ पे देखो डॉक्टर्स हु आर रजिस्टर्ड, डॉक्टर्स का नंबर यहाँ कम हो गया. 2013 में ज़्यादा था, 2014 में डिक्रीज्ड, 2015 में अगेन इट डिक्रीज्ड, 2016 में और कम हो गया. अभी डॉक्टर्स की संख्या कम हो रही है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? रजिस्टर्ड डॉक्टर्स इन मेडिकल काउंसिल, this is the number of the doctors who are present in the who have got themselves registered working as a doctor. But many doctors, what they are doing, they become doctors and then they open their own clinic in a very private manner. They are not the registered doctors. तो क्या होता है कि we don't come to know about the real number of the doctors who are there in the country. Got it? So we have to see that the medical functionaries are increasing. बाकी सब बढ़ रहा है. ये देखो, just look at the number that is here: 29,274, 29,715, 29,957, 30,000, 31,000. Dispensaries and hospitals. Government beds is again on the increase. Nowhere we'll find. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा, yeah, it is increasing only. 7 lakhs it has come to 6. No, here it is a decrease. Government beds. Now the data that will come ना children, अभी हम ये देखो हमारे पास जो data है, this is till 2017. Now the data that will come 2020 का, तो इसमें तो आपको सारे increase मिलेंगे. So much of facilities have already been increased because of this coronavirus. New hospitals have come up. New healthcare centers have come up. बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो आपको पता चलेंगी. Okay, children. So children, you can see the numbers that have been increasing, the nursing personals and all these. Abhi lot of questions are here, children. You have to see this this table and then you have to answer this question. This activity needs to be done and you have to complete this activity. Do you think the increase in the number of doctors and nurses is adequate for India? If not, why? Doctors का तो number increase ही नहीं कर रहा है. You can see it's such a difficult time, such a tough time where we are lacking short of doctors and the number is not increasing. So because according to the India's population, the number of doctors and nurses should keep on increasing rather than decreasing. Then what other things would you like to provide in a hospital में क्या क्या चीज़ें होनी चाहिए? Of course, the equipments, medical equipments that are there, the operational equipments and cleanliness, more of cleanliness staff, सफाई कर्मचारी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा होने चाहिए because now what happens, it is a very tough time. So getting the medical facilities at very low cost is very important, children. That is there. So government should make all these arrangements. Discuss about the hospital you have visited. Can you draw a graph using this table? Yes, children, you can easily draw the graph. ये टेबल को देख के आप आराम से ग्राफ बना सकते हो. एक्स एक्सिस, वाई एक्सिस, आपने ग्राफ बनाना ज़रूर सीखा होगा इन योर मैथमेटिक्स. सो जस्ट सी दैट. Okay. Now there are many places in India which do not have even these basic facilities. And 381 medical colleges are there in country and 301 dental colleges. Abhi Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu have the maximum number of colleges. Sab colleges aapko in states mein milenge. My question to you is, dear children, what about the other states? Why other states are also not providing the medical facilities? और कॉलेजेस और नहीं खोलने चाहिए खाली. ऑल द मेजर कॉलेजेस, medical colleges are concentrated in and around these states. So we need to make arrangements for the medical facilities of the people going here. Now one activity is given here. Visit a nearby hospital, either government or private, and note down the following details. Please, this activity is not to be done. एकदम कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Please, I am writing it in capitals, not to be done. अभी नहीं, ये तो नहीं कहूँगी कभी नहीं. When the condition will improve, then we will be thinking about carrying on these kind of activities. लेकिन अभी, for God's sake, please never try to go to the hospital. Okay, so all these activities that are there, yes, because children, it's a very tough time. अभी बाहर जाके वो भी हॉस्पिटल विजिट करना is definitely not at all feasible. Next important thing, children, that we need to understand and that we need to discuss is the problem of unemployment. Okay, how the people are unemployed and what are the problems that they face. We will be talking about it in the next class, children. Till then, please do two of the major, just assess these two major things that are happening in India: health and education. ये इंडिया में कैसे हो रहा है, and what are the facilities that are being provided to the people, you need to do that. Okay children, thank you so much children, and all the best to you.